What's going on, cousins? Y'all, come on in the room and sit down. Seriously, come on in the room and sit down. I got something so dope for y'all today. It's from ISEE Hair. OMG, this is probably one of the smartest wigs I've ever worn, and I'm gonna tell you why. Let me just let you know the gifts that you're gonna get in their luxury gift package. Their gifts are pretty consistent. They're really cute. I'm not the biggest pink princessy type of person, but it's cute. It is cute. It's cute. It's cute. So that's that. Let's get into this wig, y'all. This is a 20-inch kinky curly wig, okay? Look at those knots. I'm about to stop you right here. Okay, y'all. This is their Wear and Go V5 wig, okay? I know it sounds industrial to the mug, but let me tell you about these knots. This wig features their tiny knots. Now, traditionally, normal knots, there are about 3 to 5 strands per lace hole, which means the knots are going to be very visible. You're going to see the mugs, okay? They're not in hiding. Bam, they're right there to the front at the altar. We didn't call for them, though. So what ISEE Hair has done with their tiny knots, they use one strand in a lace hole, okay? And they bleach the knots. So those two things put together work for the good of those that love the Lord. You understand? That's why that lace looks like that right there. And now we're going to talk a little bit more about this lace in a minute, but that's where we are with the tiny knots. Y'all, it really makes a difference. I ain't lying. You see it for yourself. I ain't got to sit here and lie to y'all. Now, it's kinky curly hair. Their kinky curly hair is amazing. It's not a secret, y'all. Everybody knows, okay? Everybody knows. Like Eddie Kane said, it's no accident. The lace is pre-cut. We're going to talk about that too, all right? It has a no-slip grip elastic band and their dome. It's a rounded dome, y'all, and they have these C-shaped ear tabs. Or a more, you know how I use my natural ear tabs and I always have to cut that part off? You don't have to cut it off, y'all. Bam. That's why I say this is a smart wig. They've made some great adjustments to normal wig caps, y'all. Oh God. And man, I'm loving it. I'm loving that. Now, the install is going to be pretty easy breezy. There are a couple things that I'm choosing to do, okay? Let me be clear. I'm choosing to do this because I am extra on top of extra. It is what it is, okay? So, as you can see, this is a closure wig. This is a 4x6 closure wig, okay? Which gives you a little bit more parting space. And I like that. I like that. Here is just plopping it on, okay? It looks good. Let's not get this twisted, okay? This wig is looking scrumptious, dilly-umptious, right out of the pack. But again, y'all know I ain't just gonna leave it like that though, because you know, how I'm gonna show y'all stuff if I don't show y'all stuff? You know what I'm saying? But it's definitely glueless, y'all. The fit is so nice. The fit is lovely. And you know what? That probably has everything to do with their 3D dome cap. The fit, it's like it's made to fit an actual person's head. And I, as a person, an actual person, appreciate that. I already know what time it's about to be. Bam. Sometimes you can take a wig out the package and you already know it's about to be the bomb. That's the feeling that I got with this. Now let's talk about this lace. Yes, it's pre-cut, but to what degree of it? You understand? There's no way that they can tell how much lace everybody wants and appease everybody. So they give you a good starting point. I'm going to take a little bit of this lace off though, y'all. I just am. Now, I wore another one of their wigs where the lace was pre-cut and I didn't take anything off and it still looked bomb, y'all. It still was killing them out here in these wig streets, okay? So don't think that you have to do this. You just do this if you want to be ignorant on top of ignorant. That's just where we are with that. That's it. That's all. So that's what I'm doing right there. But make sure you jig jag. Don't just cut it straight across, okay? Because our faces don't do that, okay? Now, that looks a lot better to me. Now, that's just my humble opinion. I needed to do that. Now, watch this right here, y'all. Watch this right here now, because I'm brown. So when you brown, you got to throw down. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at that right there. Look how it just, oh gosh, the blend. But that starts with the type of lace that you have. Their lace is fabulous. Those tiny knots are legit, and it is pre-bleached beautifully and plucked like a boss. You hear me? So that's all I had to do right there to blend that in. Come on now. Smart wig. That's it. That's all. Period. Poo. I told y'all, I ain't lying. Now it's just styling. Now you can take a pic to this sucker right now if you want to. Pick it out and be done with it. It's really that simple. You can wear this how you want to wear this. This is human hair, of course, y'all. So you can do what you want to do. You can color it, you can bleach it, you can press it. I typically don't get kinky curly wigs to press them. I don't even really wear straight hair like that unless that it has some sort of texture to it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not going to be pressing that. So I'm just going to be styling it, y'all. This will remain 100% glueless. Even if you see me use any sort of product, it is not to glue it or adhese it to my face. It is not for that purpose. It is for a styling purpose of some sort, okay? And I'm gonna just keep it real simple. Y'all have seen me do this before. These are my simple go-to steps for when I want to slay a wig out here in these streets. That's it. Still glueless. You know, you got to prove stuff to some folks sometimes. It just is what it is. I'm gonna show y'all throughout though, okay? Because you ain't finna But anyways, so I'm gonna quarter this hair up. 4 sections, y'all, and I'm going to work within those 4 sections. We are going to get the hair nice and juicy like it just got baptized, okay? You want the hair to be really good and wet. And in my bottle, I have water and leave-in conditioner, okay? Now, the brush that I'm using is very special. It has 2 sides. It has one side for detangling and the other side for defining and really popping those curls. So the first side that I use is the detangle side. They have longer bristles. They're just pretty much getting the hair brushed out, okay? Now we about to pop these curls. We about to pop these curls. Hey, you can use the product of your choice. I have my favorites, okay? Now I'm using the defining side of the brush. It really makes a difference. And basically what I'm doing is clumping the curls, okay? That's pretty much it. It's exactly what it sounds like. Yeah, that's it. And y'all know I go through and I take big sections and just use, this is my favorite coiling tool, y'all. I've talked about this tool plenty of times before. And I just take big sections, y'all. Big sections. This part does not take, everybody thinks this takes a long time. It does not, because I take large, chunky sections. Okay, this is just for the ends of the hair. You will see at the end what it does. Okay, there's a purpose to the process. Okay, that's a word for somebody. Somebody needed to hear that. And I must oblige and spread the message that there is a purpose in the process. Okay? Now you just do that all the way around the head. You get it real good and juicy and slick, y'all, okay? That's part of it. I'm doing that for a reason. You can leave it, like I said, the way you want to do it. You can use mousse if you want. You can use your favorite foam, whatever you want to do. These are just the products that I love, that I enjoy, that will leave the hair feeling good afterwards. All products are not created equally, okay? They may give you the look you're going for, but not the feel, etc., 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 etc. Okay? Again, you can see I'm taking chunky sections and twirling those ends, okay? Big old nice juicy coils. That's what I'm doing. And you don't have to do that, y'all. Okay? You don't have to do it. It will still end up very nice. All right? Now, so this is wet. This is what it looks like. It's still like, you know, still good and sopped up. you can either let it sit and air dry, or you can blow dry. I am choosing to blow dry the hair. Now, y'all, I am using my favorite blow dryer. I love this blow dryer because, there's several reasons, y'all. I would need a whole other video to tell you all the features of this blow dryer. But one thing that I really like about it is it has this cool burst that kind of freezes the hair. So as it's drying, you can give it like a shot of cool air, and it kind of locks the style in place. And I love doing that to the ringlets. Just one of the many reasons. So here we are, okay? Now the hair is dry. Y'all, look at that. Look, that looks so natural. Baby, that looks like roots. You hear me? Don't you get up here and lie. Don't you get up here and lie. That looks like roots. Those tiny knots. It is such a nice feature, y'all. It is such a nice feature. And you see me picking, right? Because if you know, you know, I like big ignorant hair. That's just, that's just me, myself, personally. Now, the last 2 minutes of this video is going to be me over time trying to get this wig to be the biggest and most ignorant, big, ignorant on top of ignorant, big it can get, okay? I'm just letting y'all know. And I tried it in a side part too, so you'll see that as well. But let me just give you the rundown of the deets while you watch me pretty much just grow this wig throughout the day, okay? So this is ISEE Hair's Wear and Go wig, their V5 wig. It's pre-bleached. It has single tiny knots. It is pre-plucked. It has a natural hairline. The processing time is about 3 to 10 business days. And y'all, I remember when I ghost bought from them, that was the one thing, well, one of a couple things that I was so impressed with. The shipping was fast, y'all, real fast. It's a 1B natural color, 100% virgin human hair. It's a 6x4 upgraded HD lace closure, 100% glueless. Density is a natural 180%. Yes, it can be colored, it can be bleached, and it comes in a luxury pack with free gifts. Now, y'all, look at this. I was so happy. I got it where I wanted it. And y'all, it's on sale. Please, y'all, look at the information in the description box. I got you. Get your hands on this new V5 wig. Because baby. Oh my gosh. And the price is right. For what you getting? Yes, and yes. Y'all, let me know in the description box if you're feeling it. Y'all, nothing else that needs to be said. They did that. I have no problems, no complaints whatsoever, y'all. Let me know in the comments. Blow those comments up because I want to hear your opinions about this wig. Alright? And in the meantime, in between time, I wish y'all all peace, love, and light. Bye-bye.